If your Chrysler Pacifica's Apple CarPlay is glitching or won't connect, you're not alone, and the fix is usually simpler than you think. Data shows that the vast majority of connection failures are caused by low quality or damaged lightning cables rather than the car itself. Before you visit the dealership, let's walk through the troubleshooting steps to reset your Yukonuk system and your phone. Following this specific reset sequence clears the cache on both ends and forces a fresh digital handshake between your devices. Beyond the hardware, check these 3 software settings that often block CarPlay from launching automatically. Privacy settings on your iPhone can also act as a firewall, so make sure CarPlay isn't restricted in your settings menu. Newer Pacificas offer wireless CarPlay, but if you're having dropouts, switching to a high-quality cable is the best diagnostic step. As you can see, actual hardware failure in the Uconnect head unit is extremely rare compared to external factors. If software resets fail, you may need to check the specific fuse for the USB media hub or look for a firmware update. Always stick to AMAFA certified cables to ensure the high-speed data transfer that CarPlay requires to maintain a stable video feed. Don't let a software glitch ruin your drive. Most of these issues can be solved in your driveway in under 5 minutes. If these steps helped you get back on the road with CarPlay, hit that like button and subscribe for more Pacifica troubleshooting guides.